Hey everyone, I'm Trevor Metcalf with Resco, and I'm here at NAEC with our friends at FIELDBOSS, and I'm sitting down with Jarrett Blackburn and Dave Malave from ERS. Guys, we just had a great visit to your office a couple days ago, and glad we got some people to rope you into coming here and being famous, so thanks for sitting down for a couple minutes. This is great.
It's awesome, man. No problem.
Cool. So, you guys are kind of unique to the group we've had this week because we've had a lot of conversations with people who use FIELDBOSS and Resco that are more in a business sense or more in a manager's, but you guys are out in the field. You guys are out there doing the work. So tell me a little bit more about what you guys do with ERS.
Personally, I work on industrial elevators, maintenance, repairs, different things like that, sometimes modernizations. But as far as the FIELDBOSS app goes, we use it on a daily basis to actually find out what we're doing for the day. You know, that's how they communicate everything to us.
Sure.
In regards to wherever we're going, what we're doing, what we're going to be relaying to the customer and things like that. And a lot of things that the app does that make our job a little bit better and more efficient.
Yeah,
things like that.
Yeah, and Jarrett, what kind of equipment or what things do you do at ERS?
I'm in maintenance, service, and mod. Work with escalators, freights. Right now, we're down at the power plant. And in regards to FIELDBOSS, it's a great tool to have, especially when you don't get good service on your cell phone and you can't make those phone calls. You can't call your supervisor. You can't call the home office. You're able to get all the information you need from the app. Yeah. And when someone can't get in touch with me and they're trying to get there, the app includes the address, the contacts. It includes the whole nine. It's been a real game changer.
Yeah. And what did you guys do before the app? I mean, how was it trying to get all of your information out in the field? Or I'm sure it may have been a little different, right?
Well, prior to the app, we had to depend on the shop or the main office in order to get our message or to receive the messages, and that may or may not happen in a timely fashion. You may be sitting around waiting to hear back, or you may be sitting around waiting to for a meeting to be out in order for you to talk to the people you need to talk to. But with the app, it kind of gives you a directive for the whole day of exactly what you're going to be doing and where you need to go.
Yeah, I love that. Now, we've been wondering too, because FIELDBOSS is so connected in the industry and there's so many players that kind of do different technologies, and we've been asking people why they would recommend FIELDBOSS to another customer. Or you have, maybe someone who works at a similar company and they are dealing with some things in the field, some issues with, getting information and whatever, but why would you recommend FIELDBOSS and Resco to them?
User interface is very, very simple, and it may look like it's a lot at first, but once you get into it, it's very simple. Everything kind of meshes together, and I mean, it's really easy to use. It's, like I said, it's efficient, we did have an app prior to this, nothing like it. Right? There's a lot of things that we had to do manually on that app that we don't have to do anymore. We do one thing, and on the back end, it automatically sends that information. Obviously, you guys put that into the software, right? But for us, it makes it a lot easier. So.
Love it. Last question: if you could describe the experience with FIELDBOSS and Resco in one word, what word would you each pick?
Simple.
Simple? Yeah. There you go. Jarrett, what about you?
Efficient.
Love it. Guys, thank you both for sitting down for a couple minutes. We really appreciate it. Hope you guys, I don't know if you're getting back to work or what the deal is, but...
Probably not.
No, probably. Hey, there you go. Yeah, I'm on a flight in an hour, so me too. All right. All right, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, Trevor.
All right.